Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amit Pradhan, and right here, this is from the MYNTRA. There was a sale going on from 3rd of October to 10th of October, and all I wanted was this Realme Q2 earbuds. So now it is delivered, and today is 10th of October, the last date of the sale, and all I wanted was this. So this is all I've got. So let's unbox it. I'm going to show you the Realme Q2 earbuds. This right here, and there's nothing else in the box. The bill, I'll just keep it here. Let's check this out. So here it is. Here, right here, this is Realme Buds Q2 Neo TWS earphone. I got it online, and the price for this is just rupees 899 just on this sale, and post sale of before sale the price is 2499 rupees, and because it was a huge discount that I got on this 3rd to 10th October sale on MYNTRA, I was charged 899. So let's open this. We have a seal here. Here it is. I'm so sorry. So the box, the earpods, a cable. This is USB to Type B, and 4 earbuds, the extra buds, and a manual. So this is all it has. Now let us keep this aside, and let's just keep this aside. Here I present you Realme Q2 earbuds. Right here, this got sensor on it. So the sensor, if we tap it twice, we can receive the call. Here, right here, we've got 2 earbuds, and you cannot use it separately on 2 different phones. If you are using it, you have to use it. You can use a single one at a time, and you can use both at a time, but you cannot connect it with 2 other devices, because it just get connected to the single device. So that is it. The box right here, and right here we have a charging point, and that is all about it. I'm going to put it on my ears. It looks good, I guess. So guys, I'm finally using this earbuds, and look at it. It's on my ears, and it works fine. The audio quality is being live tested, as the voice getting recorded on this video is actually getting feeded on this. It is getting feed on this earbuds, so we can check the mic, also the quality of the sound and everything. So I just tried using the earbuds. I played a music, and also I received a call, so that I could actually check the the quality of the mic and the sound, and also it works fine. It is completely fine. The price 899 is just amazing. This was the best I could have get the earbuds at this price. This was the best, and now I'm going to use it. Also, this is IPX4. IPX4, it is water resistant, not exactly a water resistant, but the the splash resistant. So if you are working out, or if you are hitting gym, if you are running, if you are taking a sprint, whatever you're doing, and if it is a general thing, you will, of course, you'll have some kind of sweaty things, and you will sweat a lot, and then the sweat proof. These earbuds are sweat proof, so you don't have to worry about the sweat. The water is like okay with these earphones. So this is all about it, and I hope it looks good. There's no extra wire, there's no hanging around, there's no neckband and all, so it is completely free and easy. It is very lively to walk around wearing these, also working out and taking a run, sprint, whatever it is. So this is it, right guys. So let's just conclude this video saying that the Realme Buds Q2 Neo is just what do we say, lit. So this is all about it. Thank you so much guys for being here till the end. And also I would recommend the people who are looking out for earbuds, I would recommend this Realme. I would recommend this one. This is just fine. The Realme Buds Q2. This works absolutely fine. Thank you so much for watching guys. Keep coming back for more, and also consider subscribing if you're new to this channel. And also just share the video with your friends so that the video gets to more people.